Hello, guys, and welcome to week 3 of the content creation course. This week's class will be an eventful one. By now, every one of you have access to the Canva Pro account, so this class tutorial will be like a breeze to us. Why it might not be possible to create your brand kit since it's not a personal Canva Pro account, it's a Teams account, you still need to take note of all the details that will be mentioned in this class. But first of all, what is the importance of branded images and videos to you as a content creator or as a small business? Have you seen creators that are associated with a particular feature before? It could be a piece of clothing, it could be a mannerism, it could be a statement, it could just be anything. Whenever you see that clothes or whenever you hear that catchphrase from another person, do you feel like the individual copied the creator? Why do you feel that way? That is the power of branding. Your brain has subconsciously associated that branded feature from that creator to your brain. So now, one thing about branding is that it makes consistency possible. It is branding that makes you stand out as a content creator or as a small business from your competitors. One thing, and also branding comes with different elements, and we are going to discuss all of that in today's class. Some of the elements that we'll discuss include: number one, logo. Now, every business have a logo. It is an image that people associate with your brand. Not all businesses, content creators, have a logo, but businesses most especially always have a logo. Now, if you already have a business, I'm sure that you already have a logo, and if you look at that your logo, you will discover that it is related to your niche. When people see that logo, they are like, oh, this is what this business does. So now logo is an important aspect of branding that you need to include in your branded asset. Now, number two is color palette. Now, colors are associated with branding. Like, what type of colors do you want people to associate with your branding? For instance, teachable right colors are purple and green. Your own could be any color at all. It could be pink, it could be green. Sometimes people associate pink with girls' products, feminine products, while green is associated with agricultural brands, food creators, and skincare. Now, colors tell a story, so it's important for you to choose your colors right too. Now, number three is typography or your fonts. Now, what type of font do you like to be associated with your brand? So fonts are classic, some are vintage, some are calligraphy, some are clay, some are fun. Focus on which font will suit your aesthetics best. Now, the fourth is your brand voice. How your designs look like: funny, classy, normal, boring. Your brand voice will determine how you will design your branded images and graphics. Now, let's go back to today's discussion: how to use Canva Pro to create branded images and graphics. Now, to understand how versatile this tool is, let's look at a quick tour of how to use Canva Pro and the features that comes with Canva Pro. What makes the pro account different from the free account is that you get access to building a brand kit on the Canva Pro. How can you do this? Let's watch this brief video. You've seen how to build a brand kit on Canva. Let's discuss how to use your brand kit when creating a design. That was fun, right? Now, while we have access to a pro account, you might not be able to add a brand kit because it is a Teams Pro account. But that doesn't mean that you cannot create your brand kit or style guide on Canva. Let me show you a quick way to create your brand style guide on Canva without using the brand kit feature. First, create a document on Canva and list out the elements you expect to be in your brand kit. That is your logo, typography, color palette, brand voice. Now you have that ready. Export or save in a folder. With this saved, you can always look into it when designing any image and video. Now let's do something. Create your own brand style guide on Canva. And guess what? Canva comes with a lot of brand style guide templates, so you can choose any and edit from it. In the next videos, we are going to learn how to use Canva Pro to create Instagram Reels, YouTube videos, Instagram carousel, LinkedIn presentations, and a whole lot more. Stay tuned. Bye.